Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Got a sweet buy here. Got this off a friend of mine. He didn't need it anymore and he's wanting to get rid of it. Now, if you can see what that says down there, Husky. And pretty much everything in here is all Husky. Except for the adapter. It's Taiwanese. But yeah, there's an extra 1 1/8. I think there's another one here. What's this? 1 1/8. Yeah, that one's the extra. It's a Westward. The rest of it's all Husky, including the extensions and the bar. But this is why I didn't realize till after I got back. Can you see what that is? There's a Mac Z4R, made in the USA. Round head. It's an older one because I looked it up and they've gone to the pearl head on that. That ratchet on its own is worth about $250 or $270, I think it was, with the pearl head. I'm not sure what that would be worth, maybe a little less. Plus the box of sockets and that. I think I paid $30. Hell of a deal. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Daniel out.